Hi, and welcome to the introduction to Google Docs, where we're going to be going through all of the amazing things that you can do with the G Suite Google Docs product. Hi, my name is Lawrence, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. And I come to you as a Google developer expert, and I really enjoy working with G Suite suite of products and apps. And one of my favorites, of course, is to work with Google Docs. I work with it all the time, and I'm going to be sharing my knowledge with you in regards to Google Docs. And I'm going to be sharing some of the really interesting tips and tricks that you can do to increase your productivity with Google Docs. So first of all, we're going to be starting out by setting up and showing you how you can access Google Docs, and then using the Google Docs dashboard, so how you can set and save docs for saving docs such as PDFs and also as MS Word. Also a comparison of how Docs compares to Word, collaboration with Docs, how you can work with others and share your docs with other users. And that's one of the nice things about Docs, is that you can work collaboratively together in the cloud, and it makes it really easy to share with shared documents. You have an option to do the commenting. You can also make suggestions. There's also just various modes that you can go into, so editing, suggesting, and viewing mode. Also, how you can use these modes, set up different versions of your document so that you can always revert back to and also track various changes within your document. There's also ways within the tools how you can do comparison between different documents and how you can output the comparison of those documents, adding in different tables. So how you can add in charts from sheets into your Google Doc and update them, how you can select images and update those images, how you can select images from the web and really easily insert them into your document that then you can use. You can rotate them, and you've got a number of image options, different editing options, text formatting options, use of the quick menu in order to quickly access content, how you can apply various styling and then copy that styling to other parts of your document. So applying the same style formatting. Also how you can insert footnotes, headers, footers into the document. Adding tables, options for table properties, how you can update those really quickly. How you can select and insert new drawings into your Google Doc, and the different options that you have for drawings within your Google Doc. How you can quickly add these in. Also how you can make edits to those drawings, save, update them, as well as image options and text wrapping options, adding of special characters and inserting them directly into your doc, and then resizing and restyling. This is quite a bit of information that we're going to be covering, and this is all useful stuff that you can make use of to increase your productivity with Google Docs. So I know you're excited to get started, and you do need to have a Google account in order to access Docs. I do suggest that as you go through the lessons, you try it out for yourself in order to get more familiar with what's possible in Docs. So let's get to it.